Well, guys, I wanted to show you this video that I filmed on the week. I was the only channel filming that day. As you can see, there was some really bad weather, but I was able to capture this Mangusta Rev coming in, and I wanted to show it to you. I did not do any editing. The video is maybe not at my best quality, but I wanted to show you how it was doing on this day. Also, I want to let everybody know that on the 23rd to the 25th of March, the Palm Beach International Boat Show is gonna be here, and I'm gonna be filming and posting in all my social media accounts. So if you wanna see photos and shorts and things like that, you can also visit me on Instagram, TikTok, or even Facebook. So for now, this is all, and I will see you with a Palm Beach International Boat Show content pretty soon. Have a great day, and I'll see you soon. Take care.